Oh, okay. Okay, so I got the Xbox One. I just got this Xbox One today. And I'm just gonna do a video of me opening it. So we got some tools here to open the seal. It's a little dull. It's okay. It's okay. I got more stuff. Okay. So we have big knife and just cut. There we go. Easy, easy, easy lemon squeezy. Okay. So open that up and set that down, I guess. Oh my gosh, it's like a present. It's like. Oh my gosh. It's like the present I've never had. So manual, controller, headset, looks like a cable. This looks like a cable. This is a block cable. And this is the Xbox One. This is the Xbox One. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.